Hi, I'm from learniv.com, and today I'm going to explain the present perfect continuous tense in English, which is used to describe actions that began in the past and are still ongoing, often emphasizing the duration of the action up to the present moment. Let's look at the explanation on the timeline. We use the present perfect continuous tense to describe actions that started in the past and are still ongoing or have recently stopped, with an emphasis on the duration. On the timeline, the action is represented as a continuous line that starts in the past and continues up to the present moment, indicated by a yellow X. In the sentence, I have been living in London for 3 years, the present perfect continuous tense is used to emphasize that I have been continuously living there for a period, which started in the past and continues into the present. This tense highlights the ongoing duration of my time living in London. Let's look at the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is formed by the subject, followed by has been, and then the present participle form of the main verb, ending in ing. This structure is used to emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues up to the present. We use the present perfect continuous tense especially in the following contexts. The present perfect continuous is used to emphasize the amount or length of time that has passed since the action started in the past. Here's an example. She has been working for hours. This sentence emphasizes that she has spent hours at work, which means she has been at work for a really long time. She may still be working. This tense is also used to talk about unfinished business. Contrary to the present perfect, we do not care if the action was completed or not. Here is an example. I've been watching a TV series. This sentence means that I'm still watching TV. The action has not stopped. It has carried into the present. This usage focuses on actions that not only continued for a while, but also influenced or led to a specific condition or situation in the past. It often sets the stage for understanding the background or reasons behind a subsequent state or decision. Here is an example. By the time he moved to New York, he had been working as a journalist for over a decade. She had been saving money for years before she finally bought her own house. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to your visit to learniv.com, where you will find many more free tutorials.